A car is traveling at 15 meters per second and applies the brakes. Okay, so my velocity initial equals 15 meters per second. And it applies the brakes, causing a deceleration of negative 2.0 meters per second squared. If the brakes are applied for 2.5 seconds, what is the new velocity of the car? Velocity final equals question mark meters per second. So these are my givens. I have a velocity initial of 15 meters per second. I have an acceleration of negative 2.0 meters per second squared, and I have a time of 2.5 seconds. What is the velocity final of the car? I don't know what that is, but it is in the units meters per second. So if I use the rearranged equation, velocity final equals velocity initial plus acceleration times time. Alright, I don't know what velocity final is, so I'm going to write it again. But that equals velocity initial, which is 15, to which I'm going to add, and since acceleration is a negative number, I'm going to put it in a parenthesis so I can keep it straight. Negative 2.0 times time, which is 2.5. Alright, since multiplication is a first order of math, I'm going to solve what's in the green circle first. My velocity final equals 15 plus negative 5. And now I'm going to type this into my calculator for the second order of operations. And 15 plus a negative 5 gives you a velocity final of 10 meters per second. And let's see if this makes sense. So wait a minute. I start out with 15 meters per second. I decelerate, and I get a number smaller than 15. Yeah, that makes sense.